Here's another problem with my Jeep. It's with the back, the door latch. Hang on. Whenever I go to lock it, you can hear it like move, but it doesn't actually lock. Like if I were to pull this, and it'd probably set the alarm off. I'll just go ahead and show you. Alright, well it didn't set the alarm off. Oh. I guess that's also good to know. But yeah, it's not locking. There's this little access panel from the back hatch that has a little lever in it. I've played with it and the different positions that you can put it in, but it still doesn't fix the problem. It did lock once. It locked once. So I'm thinking maybe if I take this whole plastic piece off back here, I can see inside. Maybe the motor just needs some lubrication or something like that. But I'm about to take this plastic piece off and see what's behind there. Okay, to get this off, there's 2 screws up here. I really can't see the screen of my phone, so I don't know if you can see this either. The hole right there, hole right there, and both of those look like this. And then there's 3 more screws that are short, and they come out right there, and right there. And also you want to make sure that you disconnect the defrost and the back windshield. And these you just push down on this clip right here and pull it off. Same on that side. Alright, that's what the back looks like when it's taken off. You can see that it connects using the same green and yellow connectors as like the door panels up there, if you've ever taken those off. Yeah, some of them didn't come off with the door panel, so they're still stuck in there, but I'll have to take those off and put them back on to make it easier to attach that thing. Also, there are these white ones up here. Those are actually pretty difficult to get out. And again, when you get all the clips taken out of this, these will still be kind of stuck in there. So you want to make sure you don't tug on these a whole lot whenever you take this panel off. But now I'm able to see back into the mechanism that locks the door, so I'm gonna try locking and unlocking the car and seeing if I can see anything move. So here goes. Right now I'm gonna lock it. Oh. Ugh. Let me do that again. That was an awful sound. Ugh. Yeah, I don't think that's right. I'm gonna try unlocking it. Okay, that's how it's supposed to sound. And now I'm pressing unlock again and it's not making that sound. Lock. Unlock. Same noise. So something isn't right. I'm gonna try to figure out what it is and get back to you. So I tried spraying some WD-40 in here. Just on any moving parts I could really see that may have been locked up or anything. But it's still not it's still not locking. And when I said that it locked once before, that's because I pushed, I don't even know if you can see this because I can't even see the screen, but there's a lever right here that yeah, right there, you can see it. I pushed the lever down, and then that's when it made that screeching noise before. So if it's down in this position and you shut the hatch, it's like, I mean, it'll lock that way. And then it'll stay locked until you press the unlock button. So that's not very ideal, I guess. So I guess I'm about to try to take this whole assembly out, and I don't know. I don't really have a replacement part right now, so it'd be kind of pointless. But I guess I'll do it anyways. So I've come to the conclusion that the motor is probably shot. Because after seeing what actually goes on when you pull the lever, turns out that the little lever that I was messing with, it's what essentially is being moved by the motor. So whenever you lock the car, let me try to move the lever. Whenever you lock the car, it's in this position. And you see right here, I'll move the lever back and I'll show you what happens. So this is the lever in that position. This is the lever in this position. Okay? So what this lever does, you can either do it manually through the little thing that I was showing at the beginning of the video. You can do it manually to lock and unlock the back hatch, or it's either controlled by the motor. And so whenever I go to press the unlock button, okay, we'll say it's in this position. This is the lock position. Whenever I press the unlock button, the motor moves like this. Or sorry, this is the unlock position. You can unlock the car like this because this little coupler is connecting these two pieces. So whenever I press the lock button, this lever should be moved to this position to where it disengages. So even if you move the handle, it doesn't actually move anything. It just moves this piece. So this is the lock position. But what's happening is I can put it in the unlock position, and whenever I press the lock, it's not moving at all. It's not doing anything. So it's like the motor can move. The motor can move this way, but it can't move this way. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure the motor's bad, and looks like I have to get another motor. Hopefully not a new assembly itself, because that would probably be really expensive. But hopefully I can just get the motor. But yeah, that's everything I can really say about that at this point. I guess I'll update you whenever I get a new motor.